box breathing. This is a really great breath. So if you're stressed out, your body's in fight or flight mode. That's not what we want. Let's get right into what box breathing is. Breathing into the belly, through the nose, 2, 5, 5, 7, 2, 5, 5, 7, 2.
Meditation hard, why? Freely fearless, love more wholeness, meditation hard, why? Freely fearless, love more wholeness, meditation hard, why? My heart, why? Our hearts, why? Hearts, why?
Hey, what's up class? Today we're going to go over in this quick session box breathing. This is a really great breath that they actually use in Navy SEAL training to regulate your nervous system from sympathetic to parasympathetic on command. The breath tells the body what's real. So as we have our breath in certain rhythms and patterns, this allows our body to respond accordingly. So if you're stressed out, holding your breath, breathing out, you have no air, but you're not taking full breaths and slow, soft exhales, what's happening? Well, what's happening is your body's in fight or flight mode, and that's not what we want our body to be in all the time. There is a time and a place for that, but we don't want our body to be in fight or flight mode all the time, unconsciously disassociating, looking around and holding our breath. That's not what we're shooting for. That's what we're breaking. As being part of the school, we're getting away from that. And we're getting into our hearts. So this getting into our hearts process is really simple. By softening the breath, full breaths, relaxing, letting ourselves be slower to flow for and through our life. On command, turning down the noise and experiencing peace. So without any more words and ideas, let's get right into what box breathing is. Together with a gentle smile on your face, with the lips put together, breathe all the air out through the nose. And then now breathing into the belly, through the nose, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold the breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out slowly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold the breath, 1, 2, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold the breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold the breath, 1, 2, and breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold the breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold the breath, and get back into a normal breath. That count is 5 seconds in, 5 seconds hold, 7 seconds out, 2 seconds hold, 5, 5, 7, 2, 5, 5, 7, 2, 5 seconds in, 5 seconds hold, 7 seconds out, 2 seconds hold. It's really simple, and the reason for this breath is to soften ourselves. Anytime we're stressed at work, if you're in this class, you might not even have work. This might be your work. Good job, by the way, you legend. Anything that could happen in your work. Maybe you're just somebody cussed you out on a sales call. Who knows what it is? Something's going on. You need that. You're tight, you're pissed, something happened, stressed, anxious. This is going to fix that. If you just give yourself 10 minutes to do this breath, just watch. All right, so today we showed you one really awesome tool to slow yourself down, to be able to turn yourself from a sympathetic nervous system state to a parasympathetic state. All right, till next time.